In this tutorial, we'll learn how you can change the Instagram grid back to square on both iOS and Android devices in just a few simple steps, so let's dive right in. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. At the bottom right side, tap on your profile picture to go to your profile. Here, you'll notice that your photos are displayed in a 4:5 layout. If you want to change them back to the classic square format, simply open the photo you want to adjust. Now, at the top right corner of the photo, tap on the three dots. A menu will appear. Tap on Adjust Preview. Here, you'll have the option to zoom in or drag the image to adjust it. To bring it back to the square format, simply tap on the Fit button. Once you tap it, the image will resize back to a square grid. Keep in mind, you'll need to repeat this process for each photo individually if you want all of them to return to square format. This works on both iOS and Android devices without any problem. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.